Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
HM Kureishi.
Today we are going to learn lesson number 24, Arabic alphabet. In this video we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with that Arabic alphabet. इस वीडियो में हम एक अरबिक अल्फ़ाबेट को पढ़ेंगे और अरबिक वर्ड्स को पढ़ेंगे जो उस अल्फ़ाबेट से स्टार्ट हो रहे होंगे. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Are you remember this word? This is ya. This is ya. Now learn this letter with vowel signs. The first one, ya fatha ya, ya dama yu, ya kasra ye. Let's repeat. Ya, you, ye. Ya, you, ye. Okay, now learn Arabic words that start with Arabic alphabet Ya. Okay, let's start. The first one, Yaqutin, pumpkin. Let's repeat. Yaqutin, pumpkin. Yaqutin, pumpkin. Okay, the next one, Yaum, day. Let's repeat. Yaum, day. For example, Yawmul Ahad, Sunday. Okay, the next one, Sayyara, car. Let's repeat. Sayyara, car. Okay, the next one, Sari', fast. Let's repeat. Sari', fast. Okay, the next one, Kursi, chair. Let's repeat. Kursi, chair. Okay, the next one, Thiyab, cloth. Let's repeat. Thiyab, cloth. Thiyab, cloth, kapde. Okay, the next one, Jayyid, good. Let's repeat. Jayyid, good. Good mean acha, umda. Okay, the next one, Sayyi, bad. Let's repeat. Sayyi, bad. It's mean not well. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.